Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A7 Sportback S-line 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork and looks super sporty, stylish and modern from every angle. This being the S-line, you do get multiple elements of chrome styling as well as a slightly more angular front and rear bumpers. From the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine, you get 201 brake horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. On the front of this magnificent vehicle, you have these HD Matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, you'll find these 20-inch 5 double-spoke alloy wheels finished in platinum grey, offering a lovely contrast to that grey pearlescent paintwork and tying in quite nicely with the S-line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you receive ample room for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. And this vehicle also comes with a bit of underfloor storage, and the rear seats fold down to offer even more space. The interior is finished in part leather and part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with matte grey inserts on the doors, centre armrest and rear air vents so the rear passengers can have the maximum comfort possible. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of this vehicle. In the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with perforated grips, Audi virtual cockpit behind, as well as the central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with the S badge embossed in at the top and are fully electrically adjustable, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. And the driver's seat has 2 levels of memory function, so you can have up to 2 drivers with preset driving positions. The left side of the multifunction steering wheel controls the Audi virtual cockpit, giving you full control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice controls for mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. The central screen holds all information and options that you could wish for, including Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up the 360-degree camera system, making sure you can check every single angle so you know you're never going to damage that precious paintwork. Also fitted is Park Assist, which lets the car park itself for you. All you have to do is follow the prompts on screen to change gear, accelerate and brake when needed. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own. Both front seats also have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings, especially with the leather seats. And as you saw on the outside, there is a wing that can be lifted and raised using the button inside. To close it down you just hold the button, and to open it again you simply just push it and it will pop open for you. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi A7 Sportback, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any other questions or queries, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.